Welcome to Built to Rise, where discipline builds champions and ordinary people become extraordinary. What if I told you that your entire life could begin changing in the next 30 days? Not because you became richer, not because you became luckier, but because you finally became disciplined. Most people spend years waiting for motivation. Successful people build habits, and habits create unstoppable people. The next 15 minutes could become the turning point of your life. If you're tired of wasting time, if you're tired of feeling average, if you're ready to become stronger than your excuses, then this 30-day challenge is for you. Let's begin. Every successful person has one thing in common. They didn't change their lives overnight. They changed their daily routine. Small actions, repeated every single day, eventually became extraordinary results. The next 30 days are not about being perfect. They're about proving to yourself that you can stay consistent. Each day you'll complete one simple mission. By the end of these 30 days, you won't just have better habits, you'll have a stronger identity. The person you become is far more important than the results you get. So, day 1 starts now. Win your morning. Don't touch your phone immediately after waking up. Most people begin their day by giving their attention to everyone else, messages, notifications, social media. Instead, spend your first 30 minutes with yourself. Drink water, stretch your body, take a deep breath. Think about what kind of person you want to become today. When you control your morning, you begin controlling your life. Day 2, move your body. You don't need the perfect gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You only need movement. Run, walk, do push-ups. Train for 20 to 30 minutes. Exercise doesn't just build muscles, it builds discipline. Every workout teaches your brain one important lesson. I can do hard things. Day 3, feed your mind. Your brain becomes what you feed it. Replace 10 minutes of meaningless scrolling with 10 pages of a great book. Read about success, read about business, read about psychology. Every page makes you think differently, and different thinking creates a different future. Day 4. Keep one. Promise today. Make only one promise to yourself. It can be something small. Finish one task. Wake up on time. Drink enough water. Complete your workout. Whatever it is, do it. Self-confidence grows every time you keep your own word. Every broken promise weakens your identity. Every kept promise strengthens it. Day 5. Remove. One distraction. Success isn't only about adding good habits. Sometimes, it's about removing bad ones. Delete one app that wastes your time. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Create 1 hour without distractions. Focus completely on one meaningful task. Remember, your future is built by what you focus on every single day. These first 5 days may seem simple, but never underestimate small actions, because small actions, repeated consistently, create extraordinary people. And this is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. In Part 2, we'll cover days 6 to 10 and the habits that separate average people from high performers. Subscribe to Built to Rise, and I'll see you in the next video.